My cousin always dragging me outside somewhere. It's better than being on the block, I guess. It's nice tonight. I mean, like, what else I'm gonna do? I need to figure out how to get some money. There you go. Dragging me outside again. This has to stop eventually. I hope nobody don't ask for pictures, because I ain't come here for that. Uncle L.A., he mad proud of Kobe.
Staying out the way, working. Oh, he's going B1. He's a B. Oh, B1. He's a B50. I'm always freaking out at that point.
Red outside, and when she pop out, it's always a situation. I should have brought some more money outside. Hey, yo, ain't mad close to me like that. Shit. You lucky I'm on my chill mode tonight. I need to figure out how to get some money. I ain't even getting inside. Like, I need to figure out how to get some money. Past me, like, pause. I think I only got like 20 cash on me. I just act like I can't decide what to get. Okay. A little shaking going on, I see. As soon as you come in the park, this is what you see. For those who want to know where the girls is at, they here. I'm telling you. I got to get from over here. This to get you in trouble section. This is alright, though. I ain't going to hold you. I'm glad I ain't staying in the house. I've been sick. Oh, hey. How you been? Let me go act like I'm gonna buy something real quick. I'm over here looking at people. It's a shame. I ain't gonna lie, they got some stuff over here, though. This is all types of honeys, you know?
Got some naturally flavored honey.
The drinks over here, though. The little papaya spot they had, I don't know, pina colada spot, they drinks had to be slapping, because I seen like 7 people come from over here. I ain't gonna lie, I might have to get one of these honeys for my mom's, though. I ain't gonna lie, homegirl, she really punishing that sandwich right there. Okay, a little multicultural, ain't nothing wrong with that. Yo, why I keep losing my cousin? I gotta find this ninja again? I gotta get to the other side of the crowd, like... Okay, right here. Where's the halal trucks? What the hell? A black Irishman? Coming through. Yo, come on, man. You gonna butt me for real? Like.
Oh, look at my brother.
Oh, there she go.
You come from work? You come from work and then come straight outside.
The stage is fire. They did a big one with this. I ain't gonna lie, man. I hope they do this again next year, but the word is they might not, so you're gonna have to get the experience here. I desperately gotta get something to eat, though. I'm over here fronting. Now, see this grill right here? There's like mad pork on this grill. Like, I can't eat this. Oh, man, yo, please. Now everybody wanting to do the electric slide. It's not enough room for that. It's not enough room for the electric slide. How did I get myself in the middle of all these people? I'm wilding. Come on, man. Come on. It's time to go. I gotta blur this one out, man. I don't know. I think that's my man Mom's. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna just blur it out anyway. Electric slide is really undefeated at any black event. It's crazy. Like it's like it's a staple. It's like automatic. I think it's like macaroni and cheese at this point. It's true. It's true. And Key, like you trying to take something home with your player. Tanisha, Red, the whole squad, everybody outside. Hey, I gotta chill. I don't want to get smacked for thinking too hard. Twins outside twinning. LA Gotti and Fresh outside. I ain't gonna lie, I just woke past her. Yo, people still be outside acting like they texting people. Now, see this? Now, when you see stuff like this, it make you like fake want to like backslide and eat pork again. Oh, nah, she going crazy. Okay. Might have to give her a follow. Oh, this, yeah, Remo. Yeah, there you go. What's up, man? We gonna let me on the podcast? You ain't gonna let me on this podcast, man. I like Remo. You gotta let me on that podcast. Oh, wow. They got Deanie and Tiara outside. It's crazy. It's out. Yeah, everybody outside tonight. It's different outside tonight. I ain't gonna lie. I was a little mad at first. But my cousin slid me a couple shots, so I'm feeling a little better. We drank some Moet, so, I'm feeling better. I'm glad I came out. But in all honesty, it's about that time. Brother got to get back to work, though. A good time don't stop the bills from coming in. Homegirl from Godfrey show popped out. NYB Liddy. I ain't gonna lie, I told you the spot was Liddy. She dumb funny, too. Don't be scared to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. One last. Damn. I gotta stay focused. I got a family. Oh, man. I think they see my camera on my neck. All right, I'm gonna show them some love. Oh, man. Why I run into this ninja? Nigga Pop.
It's top of the line, nigga. You can't even afford this camera. If I wasn't your friend, you could never even buy these pictures. You too cheap to buy these. Fucking bums. This my man Pop shit. He the richest bum I ever met. It's a fucking bum. You a rich bum.
I'll buy that shit and break it.
It don't matter. He the same nigga
I'll buy
that
that shit.
he'll break it and buy it back. That's what he's trying to say.
No. I gotta think of something else. I'll give it to you. Make you take me fucking a bit, then break it.
Yo, this nigga is retarded.
Yeah, nigga, I had to go to extreme with it.
Yeah, I know the vibe.